So here's what we got going on. It's a Wednesday again. This is the day I usually hunt by myself. So I've been hunting these dogs pretty hard in the heat. And Tank and Nailer, Tank and Nailer are always the one I rig with. And they're always getting turned loose. I've got them ran near into the ground. So I've gave them 10 days off. I took them home. Gonna leave them there. And it'll give me some time to work on some others. What we got up here, this is Lady. Lady and her brother Maverick. I've been hunting them dogs since they were babies. They're a little over a year and a half old now. They'll strike out of the box, no problems. They run incredible. They swim. I mean, they get through the woods good. They're not big time treeing yet, but they'll be there. And they'll be there when it goes up or right there shortly after with all the other dogs. I'm going to give them a chance to ride on the top now and see if they can't rig and start for me. And I got Ugg. Hey, Ugger. I got Ugg and T backing them up with their heads out so we don't miss nothing. It's kind of early in the day, but we just had a nice little rain, cooled things off, and I'm going to take them out and just see how they do. So that's Maverick again. They're litter mates. They're out of Case and Rick's Roxy Jip. So they're double bow. Let's see how they do. Well, I forgot to video the dump. They found whatever they struck. T and Ugg struck too, so I'm sure it's a bear. They're pushing him around here. Gonna cross behind me. Lady just crossed right here, and I'm gonna put T to her. Maverick took his track up over the hill. They split right back there. Maverick's running his. Them dogs split right there. Whatever it was. I'm gonna hold Ugg and get Ugg in with Maverick if I can. T's going with Lady. These two pups are independent, man. They're both rigged. They found their own track and they are running. Maverick and it just crossing his own trail. I'm gonna get Ugg in there, keep her go try and put her in with Maverick. This probably won't result in a bear tree, but I got two different sets going, and these pups are learning every time their foot hits the ground. So let's see how it goes. Comes Maverick bringing his. Lady and T cross back there with theirs. Trying to get Ugg in up here with Maverick. Pretty happy with how these pups are doing their own thing. Of course they ought to. They've been on 50 bears in a year and a half. A little over a year and a half, however old they are. Lady and T's are hammered down back there. Something happened right there with Mavericks. Well, I don't know what happened to Lady and T, but now they split up. So we'll see. Ladies are pushing hers down the river. Ladies are pushing hers down the river. About to go behind some houses. And T's are pushing his up the right fork. Back to where he lost it earlier. I just wonder if it didn't go up a tree or something. And he didn't tree it right there. Feel pretty confident. Maverick, he treed right there and Maverick didn't stick to the tree. Run that good and all that. He'll get it figured out. Here he comes, Maverick. Come on. You let him outsmart you, didn't you? Huh? Did he go up a tree? What did you do? You let him get away, didn't you? He's running right around the hill. Running right around the hill. There's my camp. She's right in front of it. T bringing him clear back around. I'm telling you, this is a couple young ones or something that was born here. Ain't one to leave. Coming right back to where we started, and I can hear him barking. I'll let T cross the road with it. Look where, right there's where Maverick quit. That thing's come all the way back here. I guarantee it's a couple young ones or whatever. They keep coming back to where we started. Where's that, ain't he, boy? Striking him, aren't you? Come on, get up over. Ugger's on him now. Maverick and Ugg. T's done crossed with it. They'll give him a run for his money now. Telling you, that Maverick pup's gonna be somebody. You just gotta pick up the tree and he'll strike, he'll run, he'll swim. Just gotta pick up the treeing part. And he will. He will, for sure. T is running right through exactly where Maverick lost his track earlier. Maverick's done caught T. Of course, T run clear up around the mountain and Maverick got a breather. Look at that. Running right back through all that stuff. Right back down where it's already crossed. It says they got him right up here off this path. I've been all over that tree trying to find that bear. And look at him, sitting right there. Absolutely crazy. I already had the dogs come to the box and everything. I walked clear up there and could not find that bear. Thought they slicked, and right there he sits. The way they run that track, a guy could have swore it was junk, but it wasn't. And then a guy got to the tree, he could have said it was slick, but it ain't. But boys, Maverick, if you just tree, you'd be worth $1 billion. Hug, you are worth $1 billion. So I come up high to see where Lady was, because she's still running her own track. And it appears she's way down the road from the camp. She took it off and crossing the road down there where the fields are. So now I gotta get back down there.